Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you recovering Instagram without email or phone number. First things first, go ahead and open browser. From there type in Instagram Help Center. Then open this Instagram Help Center and you will find these three lines located at the top right side. From there you will find this option called Login, Recovery and Security. From there head to Account Recovery and Login option. Scroll a little bit down and you will find this option called I can't log in. Now once you've tapped on it, you have to scroll a little bit down and you will find this option called what to do if the email address for your Instagram was changed or lost access to email address or phone number linked to Instagram account. Now once you've tapped on it, you will find this option called open article or copy link. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this open link. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find this specific path to opening your Instagram, recovering your Instagram without email or phone number. As you can see, it says open the Instagram app, then at the bottom tap forget password, then enter your username, then tap continue. At the bottom tap try another way, tap no longer have access to these. Then follow the on-screen instruction to submit a support request, and once you do so, you will be given a choice for video selfie option. Go ahead and click your selfie video and send it to Instagram and your account should be recovered. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.